Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Bulik. I am the founder and the co-chair of the Eating Disorders Working Group of the Psychiatric Genomics Consortium.
And I'm Dr. Laura Thornton, and I am one of the coordinators of the phenotypic data for the same consortium.
And what we're going to do is walk you through the welcome packet for how to join PGC-ED and how to become a new site. So here's our group as we were in Anaheim in 2019. And this is just a little bit of information about the PGC-ED. So the co-chairs are myself, and you can see my email address, and Jerome Breen, and you can see his email address. And right now, we're including cases who have anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. But our hope is to add ARFID and the other eating disorders soon. To become a member of the PGC-ED and join, you need 200 case samples, any of the above diagnoses. And it's also important for us that you help us identify ancestrally matched controls or collect your own controls. We ask you to sign the PGC Memorandum of Understanding, and we invite you to join the PGC-ED listserv. And Andre Sava, you can also see her email address, is the person who organizes that listserv. And then we invite you to join our monthly teleconferences that take place the first Thursday of the month at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Now we have a welcome package, and Laura is going to walk you through the different components of our welcome package. Laura?
Yes, so the first thing, the welcome package is available on the website that you see listed below. We can also send you a version of it by email if you would prefer. There is detailed information about how to establish your site. And then there's information about required language for consent forms. And in short, in order to participate, you need to have consent forms that include required language for participating in a consortium. This means individuals have provided informed consent to have their DNA and data analyzed along with samples from patients from other countries. They also have to agree to have their samples and data stored in a biobank to be used for future health-related research that has approval from an ethics board. We also have examples of material and data transfer agreements, because we're going to need to have you send your samples to one of a number of different places, and we can walk you through that. We have rules, the GDPR rules and regulations, so you can stay in compliance. We also have guidelines for blood draws and sample storage. Basically, we want blood drawn in an EDTA tube, stored at -80 degrees until DNA extraction or shipment. And for saliva, we're collecting saliva in one of the saliva collection sample kits that are available from Origin or Isohelix. These are stored at room temperature until DNA extraction or shipment. We have also, if you're going to extract the DNA yourselves, we have protocols available for both blood and saliva.
Oop, there was one more.
Oh, is there? I don't see one.
ED100K. Yeah, so we also have we have a questionnaire, the ED100K, which is a questionnaire that we've been using in a lot of our genetic studies. And what that does is it basically gets you DSM diagnoses for anorexia, bulimia, and binge eating disorder. And we have that available in print format, and we also have it available in Qualtrics or REDCap. The other thing that we've been trying to do, and this has happened through the Eating Disorders Genetics Initiative, is trying to get as much harmonized phenotyping as we can across different sites. And for the EDGI study, we've included a lot of questionnaires that go beyond the eating disorder. So this is the list of questionnaires that we have, covering depression, anxiety, quality of life, substance abuse, smoking, obsessive compulsive traits, perfectionism, and life events. And you are welcome to use any of these questionnaires. Right now, we have them in both English and Spanish. And as we get more of these questionnaires translated and verified into other languages, we will also have them available for your use. So, Laura, anything else that you think is important for us to tell people about joining the PGC-ED?
If you've got questions, please feel free to email me at laura_Thornton@med.unc.edu, and I'll be happy to answer them and walk you through things.
as would Jerome Breen and myself. So we hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, just reach out. And thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.